Hello awesome people, Spinbot guy here. Came back to introduce some more useful features of Spinbot.com. For a recap, you can avoid rephrasing certain words using Ignore Words feature, and choose to spin or not capitalized words in your wanted text. Spinbot is used by millions, if not billions of people to paraphrase a text or article of length up to 10,000 words daily. Spinbot uses an AI, artificial intelligence, to get grammatically accurate results in instant. So to get to know more about this cool website, see my previous videos on Spinbot.com. To know more about other options and features of Spinbot.com, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Go check out www.spinbot.com.
See you soon to share new feature.
See you soon to share new feature.